Hey, in this video, I will show you how to add an indicator on Tradingview. It's actually a very simple tutorial, so make sure you watch it all the way until the end. Before we start, slap the like button or I'll slap you. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're close to 50k subscribers. And let's talk about how do we add an indicator on Tradingview. First of all, if you are a beginner trader, but you think you know how to trade, you can actually trade with other people's money, especially on Forex. I have a link for FTMO in the link in the description down below. You can trade with up to $200,000 of other people's profits and keep up to 90% of the money. And if you stay until the end, I will show you how to participate in the MEXC Futures newbie event to get $525 worth of bonuses. So, here is what you should know. This is just a naked chart. All I'm using is the Heikin Hashing candles, and to add an indicator, you want to go to Tradingview and you want to click right here, Indicator, Metrics and Strategies. Click on the button right here, and now you have a bunch of indicators. You probably have no favorite indicators, but you have my scripts if you've created something, technical indicators if you want some suggestions. Most people would go to community scripts and go on top and see basically the best ones, and you can play around with them, which is actually not a bad idea to start off. So this is how you do it. And since you watch the video all the way until the end, in the description down below you'll find something from my sponsors. You gotta do three things to get their bonus, $525. Check them out in the link in the description down below. This video is no financial advice. See you next one. Bye.